Google recently launched the highly anticipated Pixel Fold, and now the tech giant seems to be eyeing the foldable tablet market as well. According to reports from the upstream supply chain, which were cited by Digitimes, via Android Authority, there are indications that Google is exploring the possibility of developing a foldable tablet. If this turns out to be true, it would add another exciting dimension to their current product lineup. A new chapter for Google, the foldable tablet. As reports suggest, Google is considering entering the foldable tablet arena. With the successful launch of the Pixel Fold, it seems like a natural progression for the company to explore other foldable devices. Although specific details about the foldable tablet project are scarce, sources indicate that Google might unveil the device at its annual developer conference, Google I/O, next year. Apple's potential entry. Rumors are not limited to Google alone. Apple, a dominant player in the tech industry, is also rumored to be exploring the idea of a foldable tablet. While information about Apple's efforts remains elusive, it is known that the company has been working on foldable iPhones for some time. However, a foldable iPhone's launch in the near future appears unlikely. Limited market presence of foldable tablets. Currently, foldable tablets are not widely available in the market. Although Samsung has been speculated to be working on one, the segment remains relatively limited in terms of competition. Folding laptops introduced by companies like Asus and Lenovo have garnered attention, but foldable tablets are still in the nascent stage. Google's focus on large-screen devices. In recent times, Google has shown a keen interest in large-screen devices and applications. The introduction of the Pixel tablet, a major launch after years of absence from the tablet market, highlights Google's focus on larger form factors. The company has updated several of its apps to optimize them for large-screen devices, indicating its commitment to incorporating large screens into its overall product strategy. The potential impact. If Google indeed introduces a foldable tablet, it could signify a significant advancement in the company's tablet endeavors. The adoption of foldable technology could provide users with new and innovative ways to interact with their devices, opening up possibilities for enhanced productivity and entertainment experiences. While reports about Google's foldable tablet project are intriguing, it's essential to exercise caution until official confirmation is received. As of now, Google has not made any formal announcements regarding its plans for a foldable tablet. The tech industry is filled with rumors and speculations, and it's wise to await an official statement from the company before drawing any concrete conclusions.